quick update. So I managed to get this mower going. Just had to put a new bit of fuel line in. Gave it a degrees, gave it a clean, wipe down, changed the oil, cleaned the air filter, and started second go. And then the old man brought round a matching line trimmer, so same thing, gave it a clean, splash of fuel, and yeah, she fired up too. So I'll probably put them on marketplace tonight. I reckon 150 nearest offer. They're only about 2.5 years old, so they'll have next to no hours on them, maybe 30-40 hours. The old man didn't really mow that often, so yeah, just cracking a beer, double jack. You can see we've got the fire going, let that burn pile, so managed to clear a fair bit more shit out of here. Just a lot of deadfall. There's a few piles up there, a bit of a pile there, still a little bit there, but yeah, tidied up pretty well. Had a little bit of rain today, which is why I lit it, so I'll show you this in a sec. So yeah, just burning off a bit of shit. Actually got rid of quite a lot of shit too today, so that was good. I'll show you this. I was watching YouTube last night. Somebody was using a pressure washer to cut around the roots of stumps. So I spent about an hour and a half this morning cutting around this stump near the shed. So now I've got a bit of an idea where the roots are. I don't know, the next few days I'll probably buck a few of these roots down with a little saw. I should be able to just pull, you know, if I can get it below ground level, that'll be great. I'm going to just burn the rest off then. I gave it a go with this one as well. This one needs a bit more. Roots are a bit deeper. So I reckon if I can zip that one off, and probably that one and that one, should be able to pry it up. Yeah. So got a little bit done yesterday. Yeah, got that mower running. Changed the oil. Changed the oil in the Kluger. Yeah, just sort of had a bit of a lazy day on and off. Tidied the shed up a bit more. Yeah, I'll take this back down to the fire in a bit. I've got to go knock some dinner up for the junior ass hats. I don't know. I noticed. Sorry, I'm huffing and puffing. Been up and down this hill for about 400 times. I don't know where it is now. But we've had a big dog in here. I don't know where the scat is now, I can't remember. But yeah, there was a big pile of dog shit. I had a lot of fur in it, so we're definitely getting wild dogs up into the paddock here. Can't remember where it was now. Yeah, no, I've lost it. I'll find it in the morning and I'll put it up. Somebody might find it interesting. But yeah, we've been getting a lot of reports on the Facebook group about wild dogs and foxes lately. Because you're not allowed to shoot. You've got to have like 40 acres to shoot a 22 here, so unless you got a pest controller's license. Yeah, no, I'll have to find it in the morning. I'll go knock this dinner up for the kids, missus, and we'll go back down the fire for a bit, eh? Be a bit nicer when it's darker. Oh, it's sweating me ring out though. Got a few big deadfalls from down there. But I just had piles, you know, not piles of little shit everywhere, so it's pretty good to clear some of the, especially up here. Don't know if I'll get back to dropping any more trees. I've only got about a week left, and I've got to jump online and start doing all the like pre-induction stuff for this next mine, so probably going to lose a day or two there. Yeah, I'm just sort of glad I got to, it rained a bit enough to light that pile on fire and drag a bit of shit over. That's funny, when I was cutting that stuff with the pressure washer, it's all like alluvial gravel. There's lots of quartz, there's a bit of black sand, like there's a bit of everything there. So I almost wish I had like a, you know, one of those Fossican pans. It'll be interesting to find out, because I've always reckoned, you know, thousands of years ago, hundreds of years ago, I reckon just up behind that van there, if it focuses, I reckon there was a natural spring there, because here is like a natural gully, and in the paddock next door there's gullies everywhere, all leading back up the hill here. So I reckon there was a natural spring there at some point, quite a big one. But we've sort of got a river, I don't know, not even a kilometre as a crow flies, and we've got a tidal creek about the same distance. I think us being close to the river, we might have better luck with getting fresher water in the bore. Especially, like I said, because I reckon there's a spring, old spring up there. So if there's an old spring up there, there's definitely good water. Anyway, I will go and get this dinner sorted, and I'll get back to you.